Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss a new theorem. So that theorem is, let T from V to U be a linear transformation or a homomorphism, then kernel of T equal to singleton set 0 if and only if T is 1 to 1. So what is a kernel of T? That means a null space of T, and it's a definition we have already discussed in previous lectures. Now with the help of that definition we are going to solve this theorem very easily. And what is a if and only if? That means firstly assume this part and then we will prove this part, and conversely then we will assume this part and then we will prove this first part. Okay, to start this proof of theorem, just consider given condition, that is let this T from V to U be a linear transformation or a homomorphism. To prove this if and only if part, just consider this first given condition, that is suppose that this kernel of T is equal to singleton set 0, and we only have to prove this condition, that is now claim is T is 1 to 1. Now by definition, what is the kernel of T? That means kernel of T is denoted by KERT, that is kernel of T, which is a collection of all domain. Here domain contains V, that is all collection of a domain V, such that whenever we apply T on V, that is a T of V, then we will get a point, that is we will get all the range at point only one point, that is a 0 bar. So this is the definition of kernel of T. So this is our given condition, that is this kernel of T means this condition is equal to how much? 0, and now we only prove that this T is 1 1. So what is a 1 1 case? In that case, consider two elements from domain, that is U and V belongs to domain, and consider if T is a operation, that is a T is a linear transformation, when we apply on these two elements, that is T of U equal to T of V, then we will get this answer, that is U equal to V. Now with the help of this condition we will solve this question. So we only have to prove here T is 1 to 1, therefore consider two elements from domain and then apply this transformation on that elements. So let two elements, that is U and V, which belongs to my domain V, then consider T of U equal to T of V. Now only we have to prove that this U is equal to V. So after solving this, that is T of U, take it as it is, this right side shift towards to left side, that is T of V is equal to 0. Since T is what? T is a linear transformation, so that means we can write this equation as T of U minus V is equal to 0, because T is linear transformation. So as you have observed that T of V is equal to 0 bar, then this condition, if this condition is satisfied, then this V belongs to kernel of T. Similarly, this T of U minus V is equal to 0, that is this is a equation which equivalent to this condition, therefore this U minus V also belongs to our given set, that is kernel of T. But given we have another condition, that is a kernel of T equal to how much? 0 bar. That means this kernel T is equal to how much? 0 bar, that is 0. So that means U minus V equal to 0. If U minus V is equal to 0, so that means we will get lastly U is equal to V. So we have obtained this condition, that is if T of U equal to T of V, then we have now U equal to V. Hence T is 1 1. So we have obtained this first part. Now conversely assume the second part, that is T is 1 to 1. This is our supposition right now, and now we only have to prove this condition, that is kernel of T equal to singleton set 0. So conversely, firstly suppose that T is 1 to 1, and now our claim is, that is kernel of T is equal to singleton set 0. So this is our claim. To prove this condition, only there is one condition, that is just consider one element from this kernel of t and then प्रूव्ह करूया की तो जो काही इलेमेंट आहे तो इक्वल कशाला असेल आपल्या झिरोला. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज जस्ट कन्सिडर वन इलेमेंट फ्रॉम दिस कर्नेल ऑफ टी. देअरफॉर लेट this u belongs to kernel of t. Then with the help of definition of kernel of t, we can say this, that is a kernel of t is equal to how much collection of my domain, and when we apply t on that domain set, then we will get answer 0, that is t of v equal to 0. So that means now we have a kernel of t and there is one element from kernel of t, that is u. Then apply transformation on u, that is t of u, then we will get all the range at only one point, that is a 0 bar. Okay, so t of u equal to 0 bar, and we have already discussed one theorem in previous lecture, that is t of 0 is equal to how much, 0 bar or 0. Then put the value of this 0 here, then we will get this t of u is equal to this t of 0. But we have already know that our given condition is what, t is 1 to 1. So that means whenever such a condition, that is t of something is equal to t of something and t is 1 1, then it will imply us this element is equal to this element, that is u is equal to 0, and we consider u from which term, kernel of t. So this set, that is a kernel of t, is equal to singleton set 0. So this is your answer.